This American guy has succeeded in building 35 houses in yelewata, Benue State. I call him a missionary. By the way, today is Tuesday, the 3rd day of February 2026. Now, pay attention. There is something I want to tell you about how this man succeeded in building 35 houses.
If something happens in Yelewata after this rebuilding, the government is liable. The blood is on your hands. We've come in good faith, with good heart, to help the people, to rebuild where nobody is helping. But you are responsible to secure your own people. And there's security here now, but we can't see that they leave in 1 month or 2 months. I can't come back and see that Yelewata has been burned and killed again. If it happens, you are liable. It is your job to protect them. And so I challenge you, I beg you, do your job. Protect your own people. The U.S. government knows what has been done here. They know the attack. They know that I am here. They know that we have rebuilt Yelewata, and they support me. Congressman Riley Moore, he supports what we're doing. He knows. He has the geographical coordinates of Yelewata. And we are all monitoring what is happening here. So please, protect your people. Do not let anything happen to Yelewata again.
Thank you.
What a great guy. I hope Gumi is taking note of this. I hope the terrorist sympathizers are taking note of this. But that is not the purpose of this video. What I want to talk in this video is this. 35 houses. I saw the nature of houses and the quality of houses he built. He's just building it just for people to be able to come back from IDP camp and live. He's not building that kind of luxurious house. Like, he's building it out of necessity. People need this house. People have to come back. Now, this has been my concern since yesterday, and we have been on this topic yesterday. Last year, we had a plan and we were able to reach out to some persons. And this year, we have the same plans. And there are so many people who are also ready. So we'll still reach out to the people we can reach out and still, pay school fees and buy school things as well. But I want to ask, the Christian Association of Nigeria, the PFN, the government own is understandable. I am asking, why is it that the people of Nigeria did not do this? The celebrities, the people that say they are supporting one Nigeria, their senator, their House of Rep, their governor, Reverend Father Andeya, can mention whoever you want to mention, Bishop Kuka, one of them, I will call names today. Why is it that they could not build houses for people in IDP camp to come back to their various homes? Don't forget that these people, they have homes. They have ancestral lands. They were not poor. But all these militia, Fulani militia, came to their place and rendered them homeless. Why is it that people were unable to construct all these edifices, these structures? Why? The government own is understandable, as I said before, because the government is complicit. The government is complicit to ethnic cleansing. Some security operatives are complicit to the ethnic cleansing. This is something we know right from time, so it's not from today. We have the evidence that government are complicit, people in government. So, apart from this, what about the Christian body? The non-governmental organizations? So many people out there. Where did we get it wrong? Why is it that only Benue State, more than 600,000 Christians in IDP camp? Why is it that nobody is even talking about, let us put these people back to their homes? The 35 houses that Alex built now won't be enough to house 1,000 people. It can't even house 500 people. It can't house 300 people. Highest is 100. The 35 houses can house. What about 600,000 people? Campaign is about to start. Everybody, are we going to continue this forever and ever? But you see, if the middle belt, the thieves, part of Benue State, even from Plateau, this area, part of Niger State that is Christian dominated, if these people have what they call a territorial integrity, a control of their own, what is housing units that they can build for their people? What is security that they can give for their people? When unity means death, the people have to arise. I said, when unity means death, the people have to arise. The only thing they did to silence Benue people is just to give them, Plateau people, to give them APC national chairman. To give them APC national chairman, who is now even take, that is Plateau State. He took the governor into APC. Like, these people are conscious of their personal gain out of Nigeria. They don't mean well for Nigeria. They don't love you. They don't love you. That word, love. They don't love you. They hate you. They hate you. How can the Senate be sitting while people are in IDP camps? For what reason? If they love you, Senate will be shut down until something is being done. They will be deployed to monitor the construction of the houses for people in IDP camp. Hospitals will be monitored. The money is there. They are using the money for their girlfriends, for their houses in abroad and different places. Chai! The other day, okay, let me not go that side. Let me not go that side. Politicians who are buying houses in abroad, serving politicians. Let me not go that side. We have their fights. Let me keep it, because time will come for that. So, these people, they have the money, they have everything. Look at T.Y. Danjuma's state, okay? Look at people in IDP camp there are still many. Christians over there. Why can't they build houses from these people? Benue governor, you are having an occasion if you don't have money. Why can't you build houses for these people if you care? This is shameless, Mr. Reverend Father. This is shameless, totally shameless. You are the one that came to tell us that, what is it called? That people in the Senate are the one killing people in Benue State, that they are funding Fulani militia. You came to Channel Television to make this statement. You went to AIT. You conducted judicial panel of inquiry, and the document was released. I have my own copy of the document, despite you later silence the, what is it called? You later silence the document, but the document had already circulated. You understand? You promised to mention the names of senators in that document who are killing your people. Up to today, you didn't do that. Like, what a hell is this? This is devil personified. Their mind is black as charcoal. The rain is beating people in IDP camp with tarpaulin. Some of them, their houses are not roofed. Diseases. People are giving birth in the IDP camp. People have been there for 10 years that they can't go back to their ancestral homes. Fulani people will occupy their ancestral homes. When unity means death, the people have to arise. When unity means death, the people have to arise. I was listening to Professor Pierlo Ndumumba the other day, and he was giving an example that when you look at the, all these headers who are leading cattle. So he said that if you want to attack the headers or you want to fight the headers, you will see the cattle will come after you. They will try to run after you, to use their horn to fight you in the process of protecting the person who is leading them to pasture, the headers. But Professor Pierlo Lumumba said, if they knew that it was the same man who was leading them to the slaughter's house, they would treat that header or headers differently. So what that means is that they never knew that the man who led them to kill some of the cows, to kill some of them, is the same person they are trying to protect. And that is an irony I am seeing in Nigeria, that people are trying to protect the people who are killing them. You are trying to protect the people who are massacring you. You are trying to protect the people. If you talk now, people will tell you, say, no, because that thief is your brother, that criminal is your brother, that politician is your brother, you are benefiting from it. You are talking about you, eating you alone. You don't have plan for your future generation. You don't have plan for anybody in the future. This is terrible. It's terrible. And may nature bless this man. May God reward him. Alex, what you are doing is marvelous. It's marvelous. I don't have capacity to do that. These are the things I love doing. But the little I can do, I'm doing it. I did it last year without camera. Okay. I did not do it personally all alone. Some people will even be the one to push me. Okocha, you have to do this. Since you have these people's contact, you have these people contact. Let's do it. We do it without camera. What are these people doing? The Christian Association of Nigeria have the capacity to build like 500 housing units in Benue, 500 housing units in Plateau. In Adamawa State, 500 housing units. You do that. In Borno, 500,000 housing units. Just build it for people to come out from IDP camp first. And another thing is this. You see all these houses you people are building, doing all these things. It is number one, emergency rescue, just to rescue the people. But that is not the solution. Okay? If we are talking about permanent solution, is to give the people power. The people needs the power to make wealth, needs the power to protect themselves. The people needs the power to do what they want to do. When unity means death, the people have to arise. This is Nigeria for you. The unity means death right now, and the people must arise. This is all I have to say about this. Nigeria's unity that people are talking, it means death. The connotation is death. Unity is death in Nigeria. The people must be given the power to protect themselves. The people must be given the power to do whatever they want to do. The people must be given power to make sure they protect themselves from these colonizers. This is colonization. It's taking place. This is colonization. Don't let anybody to deceive you. This is colonization. I rest my case.